Okay, just wanted to do a quick run through on the cornrow crimpers. I'm using the penny one, or the cent one if you want to be, you know, technical. So, it's really simple. Just going to sit here and start with a tube. Put me 50 cents in it. Probably should have already had that done, huh? Get down on there. Okay. Yeah, that's good. 20. 30. 40. And 50. Now we'll flip that one over. I kind of like, since I'm doing all wheat, I like to make sure that I've actually got a reverse on each end, just so we know what's in there. Okay. Now, normally you just fold these ends over, but what we're going to do is we're going to center it, then we're going to pinch right here. We're going to take our, I always like to look to see which way it overlaps, and you just put it on the end and just start turning it, pushing it a little bit farther each time you turn it, and eventually you're going to get to where you cannot feel a resistance to it. It feels like it's just slick. Okay, I always come up, push down a little bit more, turn it a couple of times, and now you've got a machine crimped, or what looks like a machine crimped end. Just turn it around, hold it nice and firm. Going to go the other direction. Just spin it until you can feel the resistance stop. And once you feel the resistance stop, I always pull it out. See, there's our end. There's our other end. I always like to hit them one more time just to kind of sock it up. Nice and firm. And then when we're done, you have the machine rolled. And we have cents, nickels, dimes, quarters, $50. I guess I ought to put this where you can see them. And the gold dollars. It's that simple. And when you're done, you'll end up with machine rolled. Oh, look at there. I didn't flip one of them. Oh, well. We know what they are. And it's that simple. They come in a little case. And here's one for Ravenhawk. The Ravenhawks. Let me turn this around here. There's Ravenhawks. And you just open the top. And there's his little gold crimpers. So, that's how you use these crimpers. Hope you enjoyed that. This is my first little short.